come out? I don't know why they're not. They always do. With their mouths open, like yum, yum, yum. Now you can see the rocks. Of course, they got a lot of fresh water in there today. They might start spawning again. That's all I need.
Shoot, them koi are worth a lot of money.
Yeah, but you can't really get them out to sell them because it stresses them, you kill them.
Really?
Yeah, I need a fish box or something to put in the bottom.
Yeah, to get him used to.
Oh my God! There you go. See, they wasn't paying no attention to me. I'll try and get them over that way. And then you think they're starving. Of course, there's not a whole lot for them to pick at in there.
They're big, though.
Yeah. There it is. Come up. It only takes one, and then they just all laugh on it. There you go. There you go. I don't know what they was looking at. They weren't paying attention, and you really couldn't tell nothing. You know, the bright orange or nothing like that. You can go over in Japan or China, one of them. Yeah, 285 years was, I think, the last recorded one because I was wanting to know how to take care of them. So when I got on there, it's like, who are you going to leave your fish to?
Yeah, and that they do. They say their life expectancy is long. There you go, Josh. Right there, right there.
See, any other time, they're up here on these rocks. They're getting closer.
Oh, look at that one. Ooh, look at that.
I got a real pretty one in there. He ain't big yet, but he's a real bright orange and just a velvet-looking black.
One's got a red head.
I used to have one in there.
Yeah, look at that one now.
I used to have one in there called Lips, but it was a goldfish. That's what it had. It had the red lips.
See if they're big enough to eat dog food.
I'm going to have more babies.
I was just going to ask you that.
Oh, yeah. They've done spawn. They tore my whole pond up. See that pennyworth over there, how it's growing in?
Sure.
They had it all yanked out. My lily.
Can you sell the koi fish?
Yeah, but they're hard to get out. They're hard to get out without stressing them, and they'll kill them.
Okay.
Now, if I had a fish box or something, just to take a net, I mean, we did that when I cleaned the thing, and it stressed them really bad. I lost 2 of my biggest ones. They were bigger than ants.
Which one's it? See, there's some there, probably weigh a few pounds.
Sarge, which I called him Sarge. He was my black and white one. I paid $30 for him as a baby. And then I bought a yellow one as a baby. That way you can go with it. This was just the better quality. Koi. I lost them both.
Don't you have some up in that low pond?
And they're just goldfish. But yeah, I got long-tailed goldfish up there.
Man, that one right there, how big that thing's got to be 5 pounds.
They're big. And they lose their scales like that. I don't like them to lose their scales. They got some with scales and then some that is slick, that don't have scales. See, that orange one's got scales. That blue and white one there, see, he don't have no scales. How to do it, you know, we could dig it out to the level we want it, and we could put plastic down, and just put it in there and lift it on top of the plastic. That's all right.
I think that's how Josh kind of did it with our kids. Put that in the
Well, that's a different. Yeah, I know they do that, but I don't know how they do it. Yeah. Well, no. Probably the good the concert for you. Well, yeah, that's true. I don't remember what it's called. Is it hard for somebody to do it? Yeah. I don't remember what. That's what they go by. It might have, it needs to